Yeah, we did a brand new blower wheel here. So see, all this side is broken. So see how usually this happens when the bearing sees on one side and the bracket here broken. That's why right there. That's broken, so it come off. But most likely the bearing is seized. I'm gonna take it down by the truck, and we need everything here new except the pulley could be used, but I would even go with a new pulley. That just least of the problems. So the blower wheel, the bearings, and the casing too. See, the casing is damaged. See that here? We got damage on the casing too. Already disconnected that. So yeah, it's gonna put everything back here. Connect this wire to here. I have to do. I don't know if I can do it by one hand. No, I have to use two hands. Connect those two wires. It's a 3-phase blower, 575. And yeah, unit's off. I gotta put the cover too. I disconnected the control wires, the red one right there. So even if that's turned on, the unit won't come on. Yeah, I mean, if somebody puts the power back on here, it won't come on. Yeah, so big damage. Not much could be done. Just have to get everything brand new. All right, ciao.